Welcome everyone to the March edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors. And a lot going on this month. Just really, once again, I keep talking about inflation. It's there, it's prevalent. And where we're really seeing it is in the jobs, right? The jobs numbers are very, very strong. So it's increasing that wage inflation. And that's why you're seeing interest rates going up. So we'll keep an eye on that. Also, I was on the Railroad Retirement Board site. They have some pre-retirement seminars coming up. Check them out. May sign up for those getting close to retirement. See if they're in your cities. Also you can sign up for in-office meetings now. Also, they have that on there because a lot of railroaders will ask me, I can't get in touch with them. So that's another way. It seems like there's about 3 or 4 ways you can get in touch with them. This month's newsletter, I have a whiteboard on the Secure Act 2.0, right? Passed at the end of last year. What are the ramifications that railroaders should be thinking about, okay? Especially when it comes to the Roth conversions, RMDs, all those big things. On the mailbag of the month, when should I get help with railroad retirement? Not everybody needs help, right? So you want to think about, when do I need to get help? At what point? Usually I like to think of people a couple years away from retirement, right? You don't want to go in with any surprises when you're ready to pull the pin, so to speak. So check out that video, and that will help time when you should be looking to get help for railroad retirement. My economic chart of the month, or really market, it's about emerging markets, all right? So one of the things I do when I invest with, help invest my clients' money is we diversify, right? And this chart talks about emerging markets, right? Not all great stocks are in the US, right? There's things overseas that are very interesting, right? That's where a lot of growth is. So take a look at that emerging market chart. Very interesting there. And then finally, right, we're going to get our taxes done. Check out the checklist I put in there. Issues to consider when you're preparing your 2022 taxes, all right? So, have you contributed enough to IRAs, Roths, taken advantage of all your tax credits, all those type of things, all right? So I hope you found this newsletter helpful. Please share it. I appreciate that. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.